Let's talk about the latest INFINIX smartphone Hot 40 Pro. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch-hole magic ring display, resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, approximately 90.7% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 396 ppi. Pixel density, 500 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera, and with AI camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 2K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 13.5 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.61 by 76.61 by 8.25 mm, and it weighs around 199 grams. The color options: starlit black, palm blue, horizon gold, starfall green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. Is less than $200. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this INFINIX Hot 40 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.